Hi guys, welcome back to another hair video with your girl Mystery. My hair is freshly washed and blow dried. My hair are going on. If all I'm gonna take you right. Anyways, today I'm going to try. Let me not say try. I'm going to do my what you call it? Is that the lemonade braids? Yeah. I'm going to the right side, so I'm already parting my hair. It's my first time doing it in my hair, so I really hope it comes out well. And I'm gonna do it long, so stay tuned. So guys, I had to stop because I had to work. So anyways, I started back and I did these two. I messed up right here with the parting. I had a bald spot here and it was going back, so it's like here, right across here. Anyways, but this is how it's looking. And this is so hard to do coming down this way, but I'm gonna show you how I did these two. Very difficult. Don't laugh. Don't laugh because it's don't funny. Don't funny. guys, this is a finishing look. That's how long it is. So thank you guys for watching. Yo, I'm so proud of myself, especially for the front. Like, the party not too bad, but a girl one. See back here. Girl do her thing. Somebody say girl have like skills. Girl have skills. And I'm in love with the colors.
Enchanted, delighted to meet you, excited. The